come take a look at this 2010 Ford Ranger. This Ranger has just under 60,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 27 on the highway. This Ranger boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed manual transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the standard paint, 5-speed manual transmission with odd, 15 inches 5-spoke aluminum wheels, XLT series order code, 4.0 LSOHC engine, dark shadow gray metallic, medium dark flint, cloth 60/40 split-bench seat and a 3.55 axle ratio. Call 800-410-1043 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.